Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes, today a new week, Monday. It's Monday, July the 19th, 2021, and it's actually in the UK Freedom Day. Yes, all the people can go out, and also in the evening, although there are a lot of infected people with corona. Anyway, but in this daily newspaper on Monday, we have only one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. And in this puzzle page, there's also six, I believe, yes, six extra Sudokus. Not seven, not eight. First one is a letter Sudoku. Second one, a 2 stars, a 3 stars, and a 4 stars. Then we have a binary puzzle, one tectonic, and that's all. Yes, because they have changed this advertising, so there's no tectonic with 4 stars. And well, I'm not so pleased, publisher, with the tectonic with 4 stars. I like the 4 stars tectonics. So please put it back, because I like that one actually. Anyway, I will do first the regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. Then I will do 3 Sudokus. Sudoku with 3 stars, with 4 stars, and a binary. Alright. So 6 extra Sudokus, but first this baby number 3118. Yes, before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits, and if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku in the additional, this is the additional. This will be a 1 star, and I need to be faster than. That's my time limit, 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. How about the 7 in this row? 7 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Then. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in the first column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. There 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. Alright. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column, so the column between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Alright. Then. How about the number? Okay. We have a 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 9. We see here 9. No 9 there. Here 9. No 9 there. Only 2 places for the 9. Could be here. Could be there. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 9 in the middle column. So the column next. The only 2 places for the 9. Could be here. Could be there. Well, we see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be there. Then we have 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 3 and the 6. 3 and the 6. And look, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 3 in this column. 3 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3. 2 missing numbers in the middle column. Those missing numbers are the 4 and the 6. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. I still cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2, 7, 4, 6, 5. Okay. 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 6 and 7. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So we have a 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 7 could be here, here, here. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. All right. 3, 4, 5, 3, 5, 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 3, the 5 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 3, 5, 8, 3, 8, 5, 3, 8, 5. We see here 3 and 8. So no 3 and 8 in this box. The 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. All right. Then. All right. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here. Oh, there we see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, only place for the 8 should be there. Then 6, 6, 5, 4, 3, 4, 3, 3. Yeah. I'm thinking 3, 5, 5, 6. Interesting. 2, 2. Okay. One in this row, one in the last row, so in the row between. The only two places for the one should be here or there. We see there one, no one there, one should be there. 3, 6. Okay. One, 5, 3, 5, 3, 4. Okay. Yeah, 7. Come on. It's taking too long. We have 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 8 should be there. Now we have 8 there. So this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 9. Alright, so we have a 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, or there. We see there 9, we see also here 9, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. This is number 1, number 9, alright. Haha. 8, 8, 2, 2. 6, 6. 1, 1. 1, 1. Yes, 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, so in the last column. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 1. 3 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are the 8 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 8, 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, and look, we have an 8 and a 5 here in this row. So no 8 and a 5 in this box. The 8 and 5 should be in those 2 boxes as a pair, 8 and 5. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there, and the 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in the last column for the number 3. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 4. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 5. Okay. 8 in this row, 8 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 4 and 6. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in the first row for the number 3. Okay. 2 numbers left in the second row. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. This is also 2 and a 6. We see here 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 7. 1 box left in this row for the number 5. Alright. Two numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 7 are missing. 6 and the 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this column. 6 in the first column. So the column between the middle, the second column. The only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row. 6 in the last row. So the row between. The only place for the 6 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 and the 5 are missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 5 in this row. 5 in the last row. So the row between. The only place for the 5 should be there. Final two numbers of this big square. The 4 and the 2 are missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finished in 15 minutes. Alright. 15 minutes, and yeah, I'm pleased, and I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the extra Sudokus in the additional. I will do 3 of them, so see you later. Bye bye for now.